Good morning, everybody. It's a Thursday, 75 degrees, partly cloudy, 10% chance of rain, but a 90% chance of awesome. This is our screencast for our DLR for the week. Usually I will do this in 4 separate casts, but I figured I would hook you guys up with a little review so that you can study for the test tomorrow. All right. So, many childs ride onto a bus every day. So, it's going to be many, that's going to be children, right? Children ride, let's say, just say on a bus every day. Every day is one word, right? We could do that, right? No, it isn't. That's good, just the way it is. All right. Many children ride on a bus every day. All right, very good. It is important to stay in use seat when and bus is moving. It's going to be IT apostrophe S because it's a contraction. So we're going to use an apostrophe to bring them together. So it's important to stay. No, that's going to be your Y-O-U-R your seat when a bus is moving. So let's read it again. It's important to stay in your seat when a bus is moving. That's all good, right? All right, so there's your 1 and 2 for day 1. Here's your 1 and 2 for day 2. My grandma made me a party dress, and she made me the school dress. Uh-oh. So let's fix this. My grandma made me a party dress. We're going to put a conjunction before, we're going to put a comma before that conjunction. So my grandma made me a party dress, comma, and she made me, not the, but a school dress. So let's read it now. My grandma made me a party dress, and she made me a school dress, period. Remember, we read, edit, and then write. So I'm going to read it, just the way they have it. The dress for mine party have big purple polka dots. That's a mess. So it's going to be the dress for, what should that be? My party has big purple polka dots. Period. I think that's good. Right? Big purple polka dots. All right, moving right along. The 1 and 2 for day 3. Ride a bike is fun, but there is many rules you have to follow. Oh, boy. So, what should that be? That should be riding a bike is fun. Let's do a comma there before the conjunction. But there are many, and then is rule spelled right? R-U-L-E. Rules, R-U-L-E-S, you have to follow. Period. Now let's read it again. Riding a bike is fun, but there are many rules you have to follow. Period. That sounds good to me. Now I'm going to read it now, just the way they have it. You must always wear a helmet, whether you ride slowly or quick. All right, so you must always, homophone, that's the wrong homophone. What's the right one? W-E-A-R, a helmet. Oh, that's not spelled right. H-E-L-M-E-T. You must always wear a helmet, comma, whether you ride slowly or, let's fix that to quickly. Q-U-I-C-K. Very good. And now for day 4, we'll go a little slowly on this because this is not review. So let's see what we have here. You should wear the right kind of shoes when you plays soccer. You should, that's not right. What should that be? Wear. And we know the correct spelling. It's W-E-A-R. You should wear the right kind of shoes when you plays soccer. What should that be? Play. No S in that. And then soccer. lowercase s, right? Did you put the line down with the airplane?
Yeah.
Soccer, yeah. Now let's read it one more time. You should wear the right kind of shoes when you play soccer, period. Is that good?
Yeah.
Good. If your shoes don't fit good, you might get hurt in the soccer field. Uh-oh, boy. Can we have a better word than good? Correctly, right? Correctly. Right? If your shoes, if your shoes don't fit correctly, what do we need for don't? That's a contraction. Not a comma. What is it called? An apostrophe. So it's going to be D-O-N-T apostrophe, or D-O-N apostrophe T. So if your shoes don't fit correctly, comma, you might get hurt in the soccer field. Is there a spelling error you see?
Might.
Might and might. Those are homophones. What's the correct one? M-I-G-H-T. If your shoes don't fit correctly, you might get hurt on the soccer field, period. Yes? Yeah, we fixed it right there. You got it. All right, does that sound good? If your shoes don't fit correctly, you might get hurt on the soccer field. Is that good? I might, instead of saying don't, I might say if your shoes do not, I might use the word do not. I think I'd like that sound better. If your shoes do not fit correctly, you might get hurt on the soccer field. All right, good. Write the missing word. Right, we're going to use the what method? The plug-in method. You could get blisters if you wear the wrong size shoes, or you must get blisters if you wear the wrong size shoes, or you should get blisters. What would it be? Yeah, it's a possibility, right? So could. You could get blisters. For the best fit, measure your feet where you are standing up, when you are standing up, or why you are standing up. Which one? When. All right, so you guys are going to have something nice and easy to study. Tadero out.